All right, hi everyone, welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to develop a chatbot using Dialog Flow, Python and Flask. Let me show you a small demo of the chatbot. So I'm calling on a number. It's an automated AI which is going to talk to you.
Hi, how are you doing? I am SmartBot designed by Somal Shah.
I'm doing good. How about yourself? I'm doing good.
Excellent, I'm here to help keep it that way.
So how are you?
Doing great, thanks.
Tell me something about your projects.
Projects, hardware and software projects. 1. IoT-based smart attendance system using RFID. 2. IoT library for makers using Python 4. Python-based audiobook 5. Python-based WhatsApp chatbot 6. Python-based library room reservation and form automation 7. Developed a low-cost device that measures the pH level of soil in just 10% of the cost compared to market price. 8. Developed an embedded system that automated the existing light control using GSM, thereby reducing the human effort for rural areas. 9. Developed a proof of concept of Smart Mirror 10. Worked under Professor Yanni Pallas and Professor Xingguo Shang for an ETA CT Space Grant Project Balluno, High Altitude IoT based real-time air quality management system using Balloon drone. For more information, https://www.linkedin.com/in/shaw-somal https://github.com/somal1995. Sorry, I didn't get that. Can you rephrase?
Education qualification.
Here are my qualification: Bachelor in Electronic Engineering, Master in Electrical Engineering, Master in Computer Engineering.
So you can see it talks to you, you can talk to it, you can chat with it. So what is your education qualification? So here you can see I have completely developed a chatbot using Dialog Flow, Python, Flask, and it has also a Facebook chatbot. I have also linked my Facebook developer account. So let me try to show it to you. Right, I can basically do this. So let me just move to my phone and show you how it works. So just gonna hide my screen for a while. Yep, that's it. I think it should work. That's my page known as science. So when I say hey, the chatbot is talking to you. So I can say how are you. It says I can say education qualification. Oops, sorry for the spelling mistake. I was typing too fast. So here you can see projects. All right, so in the next video, we would be learning how to build this amazing chatbots using Dialogflow Python. So stay connected with me and I would see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.